hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. I am Daquana White. I bring you plus size fashion content as well as lifestyle and beauty content. So you're probably like, girl, how we gonna see the Wiggins hair if you in this dim lit setting? So this new setting is actually for my podcast that I will link down below. And I wanted to put on my Wiggins hair, my Wiggins unit, because I was like, hold on, let's get into some jet black or natural black hair, long, pretty. This is like really my vibe. Like, people are used to me in this hair. So I was like, let me throw this on. So you guys know I have 3 stipulations when it comes to doing hair reviews, and I will have up close and personal, well lit installation and all of that good stuff coming up. So don't worry, I'm not just gonna sit in this dark room and tell you guys about hair that you can barely see. I have the full clips coming soon, shortly rather. So yeah, let me tell you something. I have 3 stipulations when it comes to doing hair reviews. One, I don't review just any hair company. I can't be paid to say great things about your hair. Because I do have a hair brand, I'm very selective and very picky about which hair companies I work with. Okay, and that's one. You have to have bomb hair. You have to pay a pretty penny. You have to pay a pretty penny because this is going, in a sense, against my own grain, being that I do have my own. But I do live in a world where I feel like multiple companies, stores, whatever, who sell similar products can exist. So yeah, okay, it's competitive, but this is some good hair. Right. So anywho, let's go ahead. I'm going to put the installation up. I'm going to move me down. If you're wondering, this is my setup. This dimly lit setup is for my new podcast, which I will link down below. And I'm doing my first introduction into, why did I mess that up? Introductory video today. So that's why we are in this aesthetic. Okay. This atmosphere, this aura, this ambiance. That's why we're over here. However, let's go ahead and get into the installation of this and why I am installing it on the big screen. I'll be in the corner telling you guys a little bit more about which unit I'm wearing and all of that good stuff, my final thoughts and all of that. So here we have, once again, Wiggins Hair. Shout out to Wiggins Hair. They were one of the first companies. When I first started like making my own wigs and wearing wigs and stuff, I think Wiggins Hair was like one of the first companies, not the first, but one of the first companies that I did work with. And I was like a beginner, so it's probably like, girl, whatever. But I was a beginner, and not to mention, when I first started, my business, Wiggins Hair was some of the units that I would purchase because I felt like it was affordable. Wiggins Hair was affordable and is affordable, and it was really and is really good hair. Okay, so I'm saying was because it was when I first started my business and stuff. So with that being said, I am wearing a 24-inch loose deep wave 5x5 HD. It's so funny. HD lace closure wig, okay, and it is 200% density. Now, into my side note, it's really funny because we be talking about these like it's a sports highlight or it's a freaking team or something, a new fancy car that just came out. We be like the 24-inch loose version, loose deep wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig, 200% density. Like, it's so many specs to it, and I think that's what really cracks me up. But I am like living for this. This is like my signature. This is my signature. When I first started, like I said, getting into units, this image right here was a very popular image. It was a very popular custom on my site as well. But anywho, that's beside the point. So, of course, I'll have all the links down below. I'm just in awe. And what's crazy, I didn't even think about taking a freaking thumbnail picture. So I have to take a really cute thumbnail when all of this is over. But let's go ahead. So this hair, it was completely customizable. I want to say I got probably the medium wig cap size. I feel like the medium does fit most heads. Not sure if you can get a large or an XL, but I'll definitely check out the site for you. I hope y'all don't hear my dog barking. Like, she literally waits until bedtime. Like, it's 11:40. She waits until bedtime because she doesn't want to go to sleep, and then she starts to do all of that. So you can get either transparent lace or you can get HD lace. You can get 5x5 closure, 13x4 frontal, or 13x6 frontal. And there isn't a space for selecting the cap size, so I'm assuming it's like a one size fits all or most. So with that being said, just keep that in mind. But I will say it is spacious. You guys know I have locks. You will see when I'm putting on the wig that I do have locks. I didn't want to do too much to this. I wanted to see like how would it, flow with me, doing as little as possible. And then it's again 10 o'clock at night when I was doing it. So I was like, let's see what we can do. And Khadijah, my best friend, she's like, aren't you supposed to be recording? I'm like, girl, I'm doing my voiceover right now. I'm doing the installation process, okay? We don't have to be off the phone for that. Keep me company while I'm putting on this wig. It is 24 inches, but it actually feels a bit longer. And I am 5'4", and it comes to like the top of my butt. So it's kind of long on me, and I love that for me. And again, it's 200% density, and I'm glad I did choose that one because I feel like the fullness is needed, especially with loose, deep wave. You don't want it to, start to have, start to look stringy and kind of see-through. That's like a turn off for me when it comes to hair. So yeah, I'm really, really, really happy with this hair. And like I said, I don't do reviews unless I really, really love the hair. So keep that in mind. If you see a hair review that ain't blank blank, I can't say it because that's cross promoting, but if it ain't me, then it gotta be also amazing. Okay. So installation, fairly simple. I actually love closure wigs. I prefer closure wigs over frontals simply because closure what was I about to say? Okay. Closures are easier for me to work with, and typically even if I have a frontal, I still don't do like the glue all the way from ear to ear and all that customization. It just becomes a lot. It becomes a lot, and melting it and having to pluck the whole thing. Now, I'm not going to say I'm a lazy wig wearer, but for the most part, most of my days are lazy wig days unless I literally have hours to spare. One thing I will say about hair customization, wig customization, because I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, it's just too much work. Nobody has time for that. No, I'm not doing all of that. But one thing I will say is when you install a wig, from that point on, it's literally so easy. Once you cut the lace, do your baby hairs plucked apart, like it's not gonna grow back. It's nothing else. Like the most you have to do as far as maintenance is wash your units. And I'm a person who I don't sleep in my units, so I can take it off. Next day I could put it back on and it's gonna look just like this, if not better. And I say if not better because sometimes during installation I start messing up my lace and it's not laying how I want it to lay. But the next day when I go to put that water or that mousse on there, it's beautiful. And also this actually maintained a really nice shine even after it dried down, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's too shiny. But after it dried down, it came with like a natural shine, and I'm here for it. It doesn't look too, I mean, we know it's fake hair, right? Well, it's not our hair growing out of our scalp, but it doesn't look too like shiny and too fake. And that's one thing I don't like about some hair companies and some units. Like I don't want hair that's overly shiny where it's like, girl, did you put oil sheen on there or what? But as I was saying about installation, fairly simple. I did have to do plucking. It wasn't pre-plucked as far as the hairline. I did have to pluck that. I don't take too much out of my hairline. I am you can take more later on in life, but you can't add more. Well, you can, but I'm not. You can't add more strands back. So it's easier to start off plucking a little and kind of taking it little by little by little, because you once it's gone, it's gone. All right, and I'll leave that there because I feel like I could talk in circles with that one. So yeah, I absolutely love it. 100% recommend Wiggins hair. This 24-inch loose deep 200% HD lace closure 5x5. Look, all the specs. This is giving me life. Once again, I'll have all those coupon codes down below. I feel like it's like dust floating around. Don't do me. I will have all the links down below. They do have it, whereas though if you join like their Facebook group and stuff like that, you can get coupons, so keep that in mind. If they have any coupons going on right now, I'll leave those down below as well. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and you should definitely go ahead and follow me on over to my podcast, which I'll link down below too, where we will be in this ambiance talking that talk, okay? So thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, Wiggins Hair, for sponsoring this video. I 10 out of 10. Well, the hair is 10 out of 10, and I 100% recommend, if not any unit, this unit, because this one right here, she's bomb, okay? But again, those links will be down below.